There are many ways to make money with AI, and this topic can be quite extensive. In this article, we will explore various ways in which you can make money with AI, including 1. Developing AI applications and software. 2. Providing AI consulting services. 3. Investing in AI startups. 4. Building AI-powered products. 5. Creating AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. 6. Implementing AI in businesses and organizations. 7. Conducting AI research and development. 8. Providing AI education and training. 9. Developing AI-based solutions for healthcare. 10. Using AI for trading and investment. Developing AI applications and software. AI applications and software can be developed for various industries, such as healthcare, finance, and retail. These applications can be used to automate processes, improve decision-making, and optimize performance. You can develop AI applications and software as a freelancer or as part of a team. Some of the most popular programming languages for AI development include Python, R, and Java. Providing AI consulting services. AI consulting services involve helping businesses and organizations to identify AI solutions that can improve their operations. As an AI consultant, you can help clients develop strategies for implementing AI, provide guidance on data collection and analysis, and help with AI project management. You can also provide training and education on AI technology. Investing in AI startups. Investing in AI startups can be a great way to make money with AI. You can invest in startups that are developing AI applications and software or in those that are developing AI hardware. Some popular AI startups include OpenAI, DeepMind, and Vicarious. Building AI-powered products. AI-powered products include chatbots, virtual assistants, and smart home devices. These products use AI technology to improve user experience and automate tasks. As a product developer, you can build AI-powered products that solve real-world problems and improve people's lives. Creating AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly popular in customer service and support. As a chatbot developer, you can create custom chatbots for businesses and organizations that automate customer interactions and provide 24/7 support. Some popular chatbot platforms include Dialogflow, BotPress, and Rasa. Implementing AI in businesses and organizations. Implementing AI in businesses and organizations involves helping them to leverage AI technology to improve their operations. As an AI implementation specialist, you can help clients identify AI solutions that can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase productivity. You can also provide guidance on data analysis and integration of AI technology into existing systems. Conducting AI research and development. AI research and development involve exploring new technologies and techniques to improve AI performance. As an AI researcher, you can work for academic institutions or private organizations to develop new AI algorithms and improve existing ones. Some popular areas of AI research include machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Providing AI education and training. AI education and training involve teaching others about AI technology and its applications. You can provide AI training to businesses and organizations or create online courses and tutorials that teach people about AI. Some popular online learning platforms for AI education include Coursera, Udacity, and edX. Developing AI-based solutions for healthcare. AI-based solutions for healthcare involve using AI technology to improve patient outcomes and reduce healthcare costs. As an AI healthcare specialist, you can develop AI algorithms that help with disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment plans. Using AI for trading and investment. AI can be used to analyze market trends and make predictions about future market movements. As an AI trader, you can use AI technology to develop trading algorithms that automate the trading process and optimize investment strategies. In conclusion, AI presents a vast range of opportunities for making money. From developing AI applications and software to providing AI